Hello and welcome. In this math tutorial, our task is to find the real values of x that satisfy this equation. Now, to solve this problem, let us start by rationalizing each of these two fractions on the left-hand side of the equation. Now, in this case, we have 1 over root x plus root x minus 2. To rationalize this fraction, we will multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. So we have this times root x minus root x minus 2 divided by root x minus root x minus 2. Now, when we multiply 1 by this, we have root x minus root x minus 2. And when we multiply these two denominators, which are conjugates, we get the difference of two squares. So we have root x squared minus root x minus 2 squared. Now from here, we have root x minus root x minus 2 divided by the square is going to take care of the square root, leaving us with x minus, once more, the square will take care of the square root, leaving us with x minus 2. Now, when we open this bracket, we have x minus x. Minus minus is plus 2. X minus x is equal to 0. So in this denominator, we just have 2. This means that after rationalizing this fraction, what we have is root x minus root x minus 2 divided by 2. Now, in the second case, we have 1 over root x plus root x plus 2. Once more, we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator, which is root x minus root x plus 2 divided by root x minus root x plus 2. 1 times this is equal to root x minus root x plus 2. And when we multiply these two denominators, which are conjugates, once more we get the difference of two squares. So here we have root x squared minus root x plus 2 squared. From here, we have root x minus root x plus 2 divided by the square will take care of the square root, leaving us with x minus the square will take care of the square root, leaving us with x plus 2. Now, when we open the bracket, we have x minus x. Minus plus is minus 2. X minus x is equal to 0. So in the denominator, we have minus 2. That means that when we rationalize this second fraction, we have root x minus root x plus 2 divided by, now this minus is going to change this sign to minus, and in the denominator we have 2. Now, of course, this minus this is still equal to 1 over 4. Now, to get rid of these two fractions, let us multiply through this equation by 2. This is going to cancel that and that. On the left-hand side, we have root x minus root x minus 2 minus root x. Now, I am opening the second bracket. Minus minus is plus root x plus 2. And of course, this is equal to 2 into 4 is 2. So on the right hand side, we have half. Now, root x minus root x is equal to 0. So on the left hand side, we have root x plus 2 minus root x minus 2. And this is equal to half. Now let us rearrange this equation and isolate one radical on the left hand side. Let us move this over to the right hand side. When we do that, we have root x plus 2 is equal to half plus root x minus 2. To get rid of this radical, let us square both sides of this equation. This is going to take care of that. On the left hand side, we have x plus 2. Now, to open this bracket, we have half squared, which is 1 over 4, plus 2 times half, that is 1, times this. So, root x minus 2, plus root x minus 2 squared, which of course is x minus 2. Now we have x on both sides of the equation, so we can subtract x from both sides of this equation. Let us move all the constant terms over to the left hand side. We have 2 plus 2 minus 1 over 4. This is equal to root x minus 2. Now 2 plus 2 is 4, so we have 4 minus 1 over 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 minus 1 is 15. So this is 15 over 4. And this is equal to root x minus 2. And now for the final time, we square both sides of this equation. This is going to take care of that, leaving us with x minus 2. And this is equal to 15 squared is 225. And 4 squared is 16. Now to find the value of x, we simply add 2 to both sides of this equation. We have that x is equal to 225 over 16 plus 2. 16 times 2 is 32. So we have 225 plus 32 divided by 16. Now 225 plus 32 is 257 divided by 16. So the value of x that satisfies this equation is 257 over 16.